To solve inequalities, which is what we're doing here, is that you need to solve like it's an equal sign. If I have y minus 6 less than 3, I'm going to solve that by just adding the 6 to both sides, which gives me y less than 3. Once we have the inequality solved, we can graph it. And graphing it just means you go to number line, and you're going to put this number on the number line, and then one number to the right, one number to the left. And because we have a inequality with an open sign, we're going to put open circle. And then because it goes to the left, or points to the left, we're going to do our arrow to the left. So I'm graphing the solution set, which is everything to the left of 3, which is less than 3. So let's look at our next example over here, what we have to solve. So I have to get the letters on both sides. So I'm going to move the 4w over, which gives me a w plus 3 greater than 9. And I'm going to subtract the 3. So w is greater than 6. So I then can graph it by going to 6, put my 3 numbers, open circle because I don't have a line underneath, and because it goes to the right, I'm going to do my arrow to the right as well. This example, I'm going to do the exact same thing, move my letters to the left, which gives me x minus 3 greater than 2. I can add 3 to both sides, and x is greater than 5, and then the graph is 5, 6, and open circle again, and goes to the right.